Huh? Guys, I'm gonna be making a shed here. The shed is a steel structure, and right now I'm about to lay the drill the footing, the location of the footing. The footing is 80 centimeter by 80 centimeter by 1 meter deep. So I have 10 footing, one here, this is the center line, one here, and one here, and one there, as you can see, and one here. This is the front, and one here. Okay, 10 place of footing, one here and one here. This is the diameter. It's going to be the auger drill. It's going to be diameter. This is the center line, 50 centimeter this way, 50 centimeter this way. Okay, one here, and this is the last corner, one here. Okay, so this is my elevation. This is my finishing floor elevation. This is going to be the cage, the reinforcement elevation. Okay, this is the here. The guy is gonna come, the machine, the excavator, with the auger, 1 meter diameter, is gonna come, and we're gonna excavate. We're gonna start drilling the location of the footings, and I'll keep you posted. Okay, thank you. Those are the huh?
Evet.
مظبوط
Hey, what's up, guys? As you can see here, the cage is almost finished. 4 pieces left. One cage is here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So four pieces left. Okay, 6 pieces finished. 4 pieces left. So we have 10 footing. Okay, we have 10 foundation or footing. So one here, one here, one here. This is 4 on this side, 2 in the middle, 4 on the other side. So the footings are it's made by the auger. It's 1 meter diameter. The diameter is 1 meter, and I'm gonna put I compacted the footing. I compact with the compactor, and as you see here, I laid the nylon. It's I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna finish all the parameters with nylon. I'm gonna cover it to protect the concrete, and as you can see, this is. Let's take a look at the cage. Let's check out this cage. Okay, the cage is the main rebar. This is the main rebar. This is 560, 16 millimeter. Okay, 560. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on the other side. Okay, the spacing almost. Let's take a look at the spacing. The spacing between this center to center, 13 centimeter. Okay, almost 13 centimeter. It's not very equal, but almost 12 to 13 centimeter. Okay, in average. Okay, and the secondary bar, which is this one, this is 10 millimeter. This is 510. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Okay, around the neck of the main, 516 millimeter. So the dimensions are. So the dimension of this cage is total dimension is 80 centimeter tall, 80 centimeter. As you can see here, it's guys, let's take a look at the dimension of the cage. The dimension is 60 centimeter. Okay, total here from this from here end to end is 60 centimeter. See here, 60 centimeter from here to there, and the height is 80 centimeter. Okay, height is 80 centimeter. As you see, it's a little bit higher, but it's 80 centimeter the height. Okay, so we have this cage, as you can see, and it's very strong. The main rebar is 16 millimeter. Okay, both direction, this direction, X direction and Y direction. Okay, and the horizontal. Okay, I'm talking about the horizontal, vertical one. The vertical one. Hey, what's up, guys? Guys, as you can see, there are some advancement, and here, as you can see here, this is one footing, and I put a cage underneath in each column, and there's a tie beam between each and every columns. As you can see, all the columns has been all columns been tied together. All the footings been tied together with this tie beam. This is a tie beam. This is 560 millimeter. The tie beam is 25 centimeter by 40 centimeter, and this is a it contains 16 centimeter millimeter, and those are secondary bar. This is a 510. Okay, guys, let me show the level of the finishing floor. Okay, this is the level of finishing floor. All right, this is the finishing floor level, which is equal to the level of the crown of the road. There's a road here. Okay, the top of the road, the level of the top of the road is equal to this level. So I'm gonna bring the finishing floor up to here. Okay, so I tied this is the boundary line. This is the boundary line between this house and the other house. So the concrete, the wall is gonna be up to here. As you can see, this line is the boundary line. Okay, I cannot pass through this line to this side. This is the boundary line. So as you can see, it's the parameter of the building. The shed or the storage is going to be a storage area. As you can see here, this footing, I'm going to be cleaning underneath these tie beams, and I'm putting nylons underneath it. Guys, this construction area is going to be storage. It's going to be used as a warehouse. So the size of the warehouse is from here till there is 10 meter, and from here till the other end is about 9 meter. Okay, and the height is going to be 6 meter. Okay, and it's going to be a cumber. Is the top is going to be pitched at the center. I'm going to keep you posted later, guys. This is the other side. So as you can see, this is the boundary line, this is the finishing floor level, this is the dirt level. Okay, so this space, about 14 centimeter, is going to be a concrete RCC, reinforced concrete. Okay, so this is the tie beam. It's crossed, the tie beam, the bottom layer crossed in between guys, the reinforcement of the tie beam. Okay, the bottom reinforcement of the tie beam, the three main bar of the tie beam, crossing the reinforcement of the footing. All right, as you can see here, this is the tie beam crossing this. It's been tied together. Okay, so that they will work as one unit. As you can see here, let's go here. So I'm gonna put nylon here, put nylon underneath all the tie beams, so that it will be protected against the dirt. And I put 10 centimeter cover, minimum 10 centimeter cover for the reinforcement, minimum. Some area maybe 20 centimeter. So I'm gonna put nylons all around all the parameters underneath of all tie beams. It's been very well tied, all the reinforcement, and as you can see, I'm gonna clean this nylons. I'm gonna tie them and organize them. And then the formwork guy tomorrow will be starting to lay the formwork, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? I finished the laying of the nylon underneath the reinforcement, especially the tie beams. And as you can see, I put nylon underneath the tie beams. This is the tie beam, and let's take a look here. It's all nice and clean. The formwork guy can come and lay the the woods, the formwork. Okay. So the distance of the formwork here, this tie beam, is 40 centimeter width by 25 centimeter high, minimum. And here also, this is the entrance. The entrance of this warehouse is 4 meter wide. And here at the corner, actually they should have bent this bar to the bottom, to the lower side. They should have bent both direction. Those main rebars, they should have been bented, but they didn't do it. That's a mistake, for your reference. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, 4 meter wide. You can see all the nylons underneath the beams, tie beams. This is the boundary line. This is the boundary line. Okay, so as you can see, boundary line is, this is the boundary line. Okay, this line between me and my neighbor. This is the cage, and as you can see here, all the reinforcements being interlocked between each other. They are all tied together so that they are working as one unit. Okay, this is the end of the wall. You can see here, this is my finishing floor level. So the casting concrete will reach up to this point. Okay, so guys, later on there are dirt in those excavating points, so I'm gonna bring a vacuum cleaner and vacuum those dirts and debris. Okay, guys, cleaning of the site is the most important thing. Cleaning and organization of the site. You don't need you don't want to have a lot of clutter stuff and dirt here and there. You want to be clean, as much clean as possible. Okay, so that accidents and mistakes won't happen, will be avoided, right? So there are a couple of shortage, but this is the best they could. What's up, guys? This is another day of work. Let's take a look some work that have been done here. I implanted some rebar here. You can see I implanted, because the distance from here to here is very long. So and the concrete without reinforcement will crack. So I added those reinforcement. I implanted those reinforcement to the ground, and I fixed it to the tie beam. Okay, and this is also from this side also. It's being fixed to the tie beam. The horizontal rebar, the vertical rebars being implanted, and as you can see, it's with the boundary line with that almost 5 to 4 centimeter cover. Okay, and from both sides. Okay, this side and this side, also this one also, from both sides. You see, okay. So I implanted those rebars to reinforce the concrete, because concrete without reinforcement is weak. So everything is ready right now for form working, and hopefully everything goes all right. And I'm waiting on to fix the anchor bolts and the plates on the center and the location of the anchor bolts. Here we have 10 anchor bolts and must be secured before pouring the concrete and before the formwork also. So I called the guy to prepare the anchor bolts and the plates for this project. Okay, this is the construction area, and I'm gonna fix all that nylons and all that miscellaneous stuff. I'm gonna fix them and make it very neat and clean, so that will be prepared for the pouring of the concrete and good quality of the concrete. And I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted, man. Okay, peace out. This is also a location of this is like a pit, so there's no rebar. I have to extend the height about 70 centimeter. So I'm gonna be implanting around the parameter one layer of rebars, 10 millimeter, okay, and one network, and
لو لبستي فوق الرباش تديها تاكيما لبستي رابو برا
بلغ تاخذ خمر بلغ جاي بدون ذاك الناحية.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today another day at construction site. Today was anchor bolt day. As you can see, let me show you the anchor bolts and the base plates being installed. 10 base plates with anchor bolts being installed on top of each footing. As you can see here, this is the location of the column. Here we have this is the base plate, this is the anchor bolts. As you can see, this is the anchored rod. As you can see, it's been anchored at the bottom. So the size of this plate is 40 centimeter. The size is 40 centimeter by 30 centimeter, okay? And the thickness is 14 millimeter, okay? Thickness of the plate is 14 millimeter. And the first row of the anchor bolts, it's been laid at the center 10 centimeter from this to the center, to the end of the plate, to the center, okay? And the rest is 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and the last one is 5 centimeter, okay? Okay, and the distance from the edge to the center of the bolt is 5 centimeter, okay? So as you can see, it's aligned with the boundary line. This is the boundary line, as I told you. And the level of the base plate, the top level of the base plate is equal to the level of the finishing floor level, which is here. This is the finishing floor level, which is equal to the crown of the road. This is the road, the top of the road, the crown of the road, okay, is equal to that level. So it's been very well tight and secured and welded to the cage. This is the cage. It's all the bolts, all the anchor bolts being secured and welded to the cage, so that it won't budge, it won't move during casting concrete. So let's take a look here. This is another one, same 6 anchor bolts and a thick base plate, very well secured to the cage, and it's great. So as you can see, the length of the bolt, the anchor bolt, is 70 centimeter with these anchored. The anchored, this distance is 10 centimeter. this L shape, and the rest is 60 centimeter to the top, from here till here, 60 centimeter, and this piece is 10 centimeter. So all the direction of the anchor is outward, so that it will have maximum anchorage, maximum, so that it can has maximum contact with the concrete. Okay, so as you can see, it's very well secured. All the plates are level, they all have the same level, as you can see here also. So, and because it was very heavy reinforcement, we had to cut some of the bars here, okay, at the bottom of the cage. So, and here also is another one. We have 10 pieces of that. Here another one, all up to the surveying and up to the it was a great day today. It was an awesome day. We fixed that, and tomorrow the formwork guy will come and we will fix the formwork. After that we will pour concrete, and there will be a celebration day. Okay, you can see everything's very well secured, 100,000% secured, and I'm very confident it will be an awesome job. It'll be a successful job. Okay, beautiful, amazing. Formwork. Today is a formwork day. They brought woods, and as you can see, this is the formwork. So hopefully everything will goes well. Formwork day. Today is formwork day. Today is formwork day. As you see, the outside parameters almost finished, and they're working right now on the inside parameter. Hey, what's up guys? Today was a formwork day. This is a construction area, and they almost finished the half of the formwork, and tomorrow they'll finish the rest. See, as you can see, here is all the formwork's been laid out, and it still needs tightness and some leveling, but half of it finished. As you can see, they use the plywood. The plywood's not very it's not brand new, but it's okay. It's okay. So this is how they put the plywood. This is I must put some covers between the steel bar and the plywood and the formwork, at least 3 centimeter. And this is the rest. This part's the interior part is remained. As you can see, this interior part is remained. So after that, and the level of concrete, the concrete will get up to here, up to the bottom of the plate. Okay, so up to here, and as you can see, so the concrete is gonna be up to the finishing floor level, minus 1 centimeter, maybe 1.5 centimeter. And I'm gonna be bringing 30 or C25, mostly C30, and 300 kilogram per cubic meter, 300 kilograms cement per cubic meter. So, and this part's also remained. This is the like a pit. This is also remained. So I'll keep you guys posted. Peace out. Hey, what's up, guys? A new day at construction site. Today is a formwork day. As you can see, this is the second day of formwork, and this is the formwork. As you can see, it's all being laid out, being secured, and I'm gonna be putting blocks around the around this formwork, this footing, and today, maybe tomorrow morning, I'll call the guy for pouring concrete. Tomorrow morning, I'll be calling the mixer, the central mixer, to bring me concrete, and I'm gonna be cleaning those dirts also. Here also, I've been cleaning all these pits, all these footings. It was filled with dirt. Just clean as much as possible. Here, all of that. Look at that stupid. He just put a piece. What's up, guys? Another new day at construction site. And yesterday I poured concrete, and I'm sorry I didn't put it on tape because I was busy doing the compaction for the concrete with the vibrator, and because we had one guy short, so I did the compaction. So this is I already removed some of the formwork, and this is the result. I ordered 15 cubic meter of C30 concrete, and with additives like super plasticizers and retarder to strengthen the concrete and to delay the setting time also, because the weather was very hot, and so to catch up the vibration and compaction. So I guess so this is the anchor bolts and the plates. As you can see, it's a little bit it's not perfect actually. I'm not very satisfied with the result, but all in all, it's all right. And yesterday morning we started concreting, and this is the result. Today is the second day. I cured the concrete with water. I removed some of the molds. I extended those rebars to mix it with. This is the result. As you can see, it's a good concrete. It's very quality concrete. So as you can see, it's not perfectly leveled, the top, and so next step, I'll be filling this. I'm gonna be backfilling this area and leaving 15 centimeter below this level. I'm gonna leave 15 centimeter. Okay, I'm gonna backfill it, leaving 50 centimeter up to here with the compacted soil. Then I'm gonna be pouring concrete about 15 centimeter up to this level. Okay, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted, and tomorrow the formwork guy will come and remove all the formwork, and I'm gonna start backfilling the area and compact it. Thank you. What's up, guys? Another day at construction site. As you can see, the formwork's been removed. Today the formwork guy came and removed all the formwork, and this is the result. And thanks God, there's no segregation, and on the top there's a little bit of segregation, but at the bottom It's all good. I put some towel to make the concrete cure more effectively, and this is the outcome. The formwork guys came and removed all the formworks, and the next step will be tar coating the inside and outside parameters for insulation, waterproofing with tar coat. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, the top is not perfectly smooth, so there are some cracks. As you see, some cracks due to heat. Even though we put additives and retarders to slow down the reaction process, but also this mold's been bulged. The mold's been bulged because it wasn't very well skewed during a compaction vibration. The formworks been moved, and this is the outcome. This made problem. So I left those rebars. I extended those rebars to interlock it with this. There's going to be a slab here, so I'm going to interlock the reinforcement of the slab with this reinforcement. This is 510, and yeah, next step will be insulation, and I'll keep you posted. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, I was removing some of the covers, the protection that I did for the bolts, for the anchor bolts. I protected before pouring concrete, because if they are not covered, they will be ruined. Okay, the concrete will be ruin the bolts. So I covered with the nylons, and as you can see, I cleaned those plates right now, and this is the result. If it's not covered, this is the nylon. So after you're covering with nylon and you pour in the concrete, then it's easy to remove this this chunk of concrete. You just hammer the plates. You just hammer the plates with this hammer, and all the concrete will be removed without hurting the bolts. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you just tap this side. As you can see, it just get removed like that. Okay. As you can see, you just tap it like that. Sorry. So you just remove all the dirt. Okay. Be careful not to damage the bolts. Okay. You can see I'm just easy. It's easy to clean out. Also, if you're not removing the nylons, because it's contain moisture, it will corrode the bolts. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to remove. But even though I protected all of them, but this one's been covered with concrete, so I have to be cleaning it with the brush, with a steel brush. So this is the outcome. Okay, this is how we do it. Guys, today is a new day at construction site. It's a tar coating day. It's a waterproofing day. So as you can see, all the inner parameters of the concrete, of the footings, being insulated or waterproofed with tar coat. And this is the product that I used. It's very effective. It's very water repellent, As you can see, it's and if it's very messy. It's very messy, guys. You have to be very geared up and we put on dirty clothes. Let's see how much is water repellent. So look at it. It's very water repellent. It's very effective and it's very strong. Water never stick to it, you know. Just look. It's very effective. Awesome. So I covered the I put one coat and one thick coat on the inner part, and also I'm gonna be putting it on the other part also, outside and inside part, the other part also. So this part will be backfilled with dirt, so that's why I tar coated. Look, it never hold water, never. It's very strong. So I tar coated the inner parameters, which has contact with soil. So you have to protect the concrete so it can last for many years, over 50 years. Okay, so this is the outcome, and it's very strong, very water repellent, absolutely waterproof. So as you can see, I did the other part, the outside part also. I did this part also because this is also it's gonna be backfilled. So, and I'm gonna show you the product. So I use this roller for the sake of the, I use this roller, the small roller, and this is the small roller, this is the big roller, and it's very messy, guys. So you have to clean yourself with kerosene. For example, if your hand got messed up, you have to clean. We use kerosene, and with wipe it off with tar. Guys, this is the tar coat that I use. It's let's open it. I'm not thinning it out. I'm just using it straight away without diluting it. It's very messy, look at it. It's like that. You just it has a good consistency. So I just use it straight away without any additives or anything else. Okay, and with a roller and with only rollers. Okay, you can use brush also, but I didn't use any additives. Okay, thank you. Here's gonna be a Western the toilet. And what's up, guys? Yesterday we start mechanical installation. As you see here, this pipe is a drain pipe for the hang toilet, yeah. And here is gonna be the cesspool. It's gonna be right there. Okay, so this is a 4-inch pipe, PVC pipe, coming from that hang toilet, right? And this is also going, one branch goes to here. There's going to be a hang toilet here, of the inside, from the inside here, from here. This is going to be a hang toilet, and here is going to be the wash basin. Okay, this is a 4-inch pipe, so goes right to the cesspool. Here's going to be the junction, a Y junction. It's going to be here, coming from there and connected to this to the main branch and go directly to the cesspool. So the base wash basin goes here, goes to this pit. This is the lightweight. This is the black water. Okay, this is the gray water. So the gray water goes to this pit, and the black water goes to the cesspool. The cesspool is one meter diameter, and it's a 6 meter depth. All right, 6 meter deep. Okay, so I got some fitting short, so I called the guy to bring me some equipment, some material fittings. So here's gonna be the other from the inside. There's gonna be a washing basin and a hang toilet also. Here, this is the location of the washing basin. So the wash basin is gonna be goes to this pit. Okay, so I'll keep you guys posted.